Now I'm going to explain you about how to add a domain to your hosting website and how to install WordPress site. So log into your hosting website. I'm going to explain you with my Site5 hosting website. I'm logging into their website now. Enter your email address, your password, and then click login. So this is Site5 hosting website, and just click services. Here you can see an option called active. Click on it. Next we need to log into cPanel. So I'm logging into my cPanel and Site5 hosting. This is the cPanel. Have a look of it, and if you are using HostGator, you will get a cPanel in HostGator too. So what we have to do is we need to add a domain in the hosting. So this is what we need to do in any of the hosting website. So click on add on domain. You have to enter your domain name here. My domain name is by iPhone 7 Plus cases. I'm entering my username. The username should be very unique, and the password will be generated automatically, and I clicked on create. Oh, I forgot to give .com. So make sure you are entering your domain name completely, and again I'm clicking on create. And yes, successfully my domain has been added to the hosting now. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours for the hosting to get paired with GoDaddy. If your website is active, you can open your website. If you are not able to open your site, then your hosting takes time to pair up with GoDaddy. Usually the maximum time a hosting service takes to pair up with GoDaddy is 24 to 48 hours. After that, we need to install the WordPress site. Click on web apps, and you can see the softwares that are available here. We are going to use WordPress. Plenty of options in WordPress site. Now we are just going to install it. So click on install it now. Choose your domain name. Your domain name will be automatically saved in this list. So we have to just select the domain name we saved in the add-on domain. So I have selected my domain name. Make sure that the directory is empty. You can enter all other details afterwards. Give a password to your account. Give your email address. Select the language and select a theme in your WordPress site. And again enter your email address here. And click on install. So the WordPress site is being installed now, and it has been successfully installed. As I said previously, if your hosting service got paired up with GoDaddy, your site will be open. If not, wait for some time for your site to get open. So that's it for this lecture. I have explained you about how to add your domain, how to add on domain to your hosting service, and how to install your WordPress site in the hosting. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I will help you to solve your problems regarding adding your domain or installing WordPress site in all ways possible.